It's kind of a maze of a hotel here. Anyway, look, we got this Series 1. There's an X on the button. Not if it catches on fire.
It's true. Well, the hotel burns then. This is a mod, I think. Oh no, wait, the host logo is just that.
Oh, it's got the weird door track, the weird tubular door track.
Oh, is that the one with the screw operator? Or?
No, this one just has the regular GAL door operator. It's an old one, it's an LRV.
Oh yeah, one of the good ones. There is our indicator and our key switches. One of those blank. I don't know what that does.
Yeah, this is, because if it was it's the predecessor to the 211.
Stay focused.
I thought you were talking to me for a second.
Stay focused, Sam. Don't get distracted thinking about brands and models. Let's take a look in the cabinet. It's a little,
Like you can see out a little bit.
not surprised. Anyway, unfocused now. Alright, let's close the door.
And that's it.